Hello, today I'm going to show you where is the eye icon on the Apple Watch and where you're gonna need it. So, if you have a brand new Apple Watch and you want to connect it to your iPhone in a busy place, for example Starbucks or something, when everyone is around and everyone can get a notification about pairing a new Apple Watch to his phone and you don't want to mess up with it, so you are going to click the eye icon, choose the language that you're, and choose the mainland, the localization, the region that you're going to get. Let's for me choose, for example, I don't know, Kyrgyzstan. For example, it doesn't really matter because I'm going to change it anyways in the app. And now you can see the options. The eye icon is also here, but you're not interested in this one, sorry. You're gonna need to do this again, and you are going to click start pairing and click the eye icon right here. You have this cloud animation, and now you have your Apple Watch number. And to do the manual pairing, for example, as I said, in a busy place, if you don't want to make someone connect to your Apple Watch in a Starbucks, so you're gonna need the watch app on the iPhone. And if you don't have it on your iPhone already, so you just need to go to the App Store and just type watch and download the app. I have already downloaded it, so I'm just going to the app and I'm just clicking start pairing. And I want to set it up for myself. You can choose from the options. And you are going to click pair Apple Watch manually. And now, as you can see, I have the Apple Watch number that is displayed right here. This is my Apple Watch. This is its serial number or something to connect manually. I'm going to click Apple Watch 40910 and I'm going to enter the 6-digit code from my Apple Watch. And doing this, no one can connect to your Apple Watch without this code that was displayed right here. As you can see, my Apple Watch is now paired, so I can restore for backup because I had a backup of it, or set it up as a new Apple Watch. So this is it. I told you what is the eye icon, where it is, where you're gonna need it, and how to manually pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit the like. Bye!